Hi friends, good morning all of you, and today it's a third day in our paddy field and I came to harvest paddy. And as you know, like before labor come daily, nowadays I'm doing practice and for my improvement. And you can also do daily practice, and whatever you want to learn you can achieve your goal with your hard work and patience. And today we will not talk about field or harvesting, and today we will talk about only English. So friends, I'm going to tell you some tips, and that if you follow those things you will definitely achieve your goal, and you will become fluent. And I'm not a fluent English speaker, but I'm trying to be fluent, and I'm doing daily practice, as you know, like no matter how much work I have. And even I'm taking time for my practice, and consistently I'm doing practice every day. And if you really want to be fluent in English, you have to be consistent, because consistency is the key to success. And if you are not consistent, then you can't learn. Why I'm saying? Because suppose in a week you are doing practice every day, and suppose you are doing practice every day, and after a month you again left, and after that for 1 week and 2 week you take rest, then again you start. So in that way you will lost your uh, confident, and you will lost your interest to learn anything. So if you are consistent, then you will learn and you will achieve. So learning, it can be anything. It can be clearing your exam, and it can be learning any language, not only English. You have to be consistent. And if you are learning English, and you know, in India we are learning English, but it's not our mother tongue, right? And we are not getting surrounding, and we are not getting environment of English. So we have to make our own English environment, then only we can learn. And if you are finding, if you think like if I will get environment only I can learn, then you will not able to find any English environment, right? Even some private English medium school, mostly they are using Hindi, not only English, because so many people, they are also, they know English but they are not using. They are more comfortable in their mother tongue. So what we have to do, we have to make our own English environment. And friend, if you have mobile, then you have everything, because in mobile there are a lot of free application that you can use, and you can find so many co-learners. They are learning English, they are really passionate about learning English, and they are giving proper time, and they are consistently learning. So you can also find friend there, and you can do daily practice like free for talk, and hello app, and hi local, and those kind of free application you can use. Hello app was before free, but now it's get paid, but hi local is still free and free for talk. So you can use those application, and I also learned from those application. I found a lot of friends. And apart from that, you can also do speaking practice, and like I do, I just try to describe the things whatever I'm doing. And even in paddy field, whatever work I do, I just try to describe in my own words. So you can do like that, and try to make sentence about your daily life and your homes, book, trees, and small small topics, and that will really help you to grow and to learn English. And focus on all LSRW, listening, reading, speaking, writing. All those things are very important. And what I used to do, mostly I used to listen a lot in the very beginning, because I was not getting any things in one time listening. So I was listening many times, same video multiple times. I used to listen until I understand those things. And I used to share with my friends whatever I listen. And even I was making a lot of mistakes, so I am learning from my mistake. Now also I'm making mistake. You can also learn from your mistake, and don't think about the your mistake. Your mistake are the proof that you are really learning. So always be positive, and be confident, and be consistent. And consistency is the key to success, I tell you many times. And you should give your proper time, because if you're not giving proper time, then you can't, and you will lost your interest to learn anything. And if you break the consistency, so never break the consistency. And daily try to learn some vocabulary, daily use sentence, and try to use with your friends. and with yourself only, and try to do shadowing practice and a lot of things, and you can learn from your environment, because most of the words we don't know from our environment, right? And how I got to know, because nowadays I'm making blog and I try to make sentence, then I find difficulties in making sentence. Then I search on Google or Chat GPT, and when I learned those vocabulary, and then I try to make sentence again and again, then I feel more confidence. If you learn something, you will get confidence. So try to learn small things. Try to learn from small things. Then one day definitely you will achieve your goal. And don't think the people that they are speaking very good English, because what we think, like English is so much difficult. They are speaking so fluent, and I'm not getting anything. So they were also not fluent, but they did practice. Then they become fluent, right? So you can also learn. No one become prime minister in a day, right? And no one become a scientist in a day. They did practice. They did get their proper times. They learn first, then they become, right? So you should also give proper times whatever you are learning, and that's what I'm also doing. And I have believe in myself that one day I will become fluent speaker, and I will speak so confident. Now I'm not that much confident, and but I'm trying to be more confident. I'm trying to do practice daily, and when I learn something new, I get really confidence, and I feel so energetic, and it makes me so happy. And so friends, never stop learning, keep practicing, and one day definitely you will achieve your goal. So bye bye. So guys, this is our neighbor's field, and here you can see Mohit Patel, little babies cutting paddy. Mohit, show your face. Hi bol. Hi. So he is Mohit Patel, you can see, and how beautifully he is harvesting paddy. This little boy is how beautifully cutting paddy, and he is helping his parents because it's Sunday today, and that's why he came. And we were going our own field, so I thought to record this, and because they are my neighbor. And finally we have reached our own field, and you can see these all the paddy has fallen down. And while cutting this kind of paddy, we have to be very careful, because if we do mistake, we will cut our hand. So that's why we have to be very careful while cutting this kind of paddy. And today the sun was really strong, and we got so tired that we had to sit down and take some rest in between. And it was really a hot and tiring day in the field, and we took a little rest and started again, because hard work never stops. And this is the real beauty of village life: simple, strong, and full of dedication. Thank you for watching.